Module 3, Conflict Management, Stress Management, and Professional Behavior. This module includes a lot of information. Here you're going to demonstrate conflict management skills, develop a plan to manage stress, and choose behaviors that will maintain professional boundaries. Any place you go, you're always going to have some sort of conflict, and there'll always be some sort of stress. Eventually, everyone will learn how to manage stress, and some is good and some is bad, and also how to have professional behavior. In this module, you have quite a few different items, activities to complete. You have a PowerPoint to look through, read conflict management training for healthcare professionals, a video on conflict resolution, a video on magic phrases, what to do when a nurse is a bully, videos on hostility, conflict management, evaluate your stress level, time management, mindfulness and stress management, how to reduce stress, ways to relieve anxiety, and professional boundaries for caregivers. So really there's a lot of information in this one. There are also 4 different assessment activities. Your first one is going to be a discussion board. You're going to choose a discussion topic from one of the 3 listed, and then of course respond to your peers per the rubric. Your second item that you're going to be doing is a reflection paper. You are going to read the links and documents that are included, as well as the videos regarding stress management skills and strategies. Then you're going to write a 1 to 2 page reflection paper analyzing your personal stress level, and upload it to this assignment link. Follow the reflection paper rubric found in the course information for the scoring guidelines. Make sure to look through 1 through 4 found here when you are writing your paper, and follow the rubric guidelines to ensure maximum amount of points. The third assignment will be a conflict quiz. This will be worth 10 points with a time limit of 30 minutes. Only 1 attempt is available. And then an assignment on professional boundaries. So there are different case studies. You're going to choose one of the 9 case studies found in the document that's up here. And then copy and paste into an assignment link and answer the questions. What observations can you make about the situation? How could the caregiver's actions affect the client? And how could the situation affect the caregiver? And then upload it. And that is all for this module. If you do have any questions, please let me know.